All right, guys, so today we'll be blacking out the interior of this 2021 Toyota Tundra. We got these pieces from Aiden James. This is going to be for the steering wheel, and it's going to black out these chrome pieces right here. And let's go ahead and start dismantling. First thing you want to do is remove the battery connection so that you disengage the airbags. And there's going to be 2 bolts here. You go ahead and remove these 2 plastic side pieces. The bolts right there, and then the ones on the other side. All right, let's go ahead and remove the other side. Once you've removed this 2 torque screws inside, you go ahead and lift this up. You'll see the 4 Phillips screws. Go ahead and unscrew those. Now go ahead and remove the screws off the back housing. Now remove the back housing and the buttons. I'm going to go ahead and install it onto the new trim. There you go. It fits like a glove. We'll go ahead and screw everything back in place. Once everything's screwed back, it's ready to go back in place. It's real smooth, real sleek. Feels really heavy duty plastic. I really like this. Now that we're done with the right controls, let's go ahead and do the left. Let's go ahead and screw the buttons back down. Now carefully move the airbag back in place. Go ahead and use the torque tool and go ahead and screw that back on. And align the other side and screw that back in as well. Alright guys, just like that, I got rid of the silver on the steering wheel. Next thing I'm going to do is black out the emblem. You guys can tune along for that. If you guys have any questions in regards to the install, let me know, leave a message. Again, this is an item from Aiden James and it looks great. Alright guys, there you have it. We went ahead and blacked everything out in the interior of this 21 Toyota Tundra. What we did were the door handles. We did the vents. We also sprayed this piece right here. We did the knobs, the 4-wheel drive, the AC, the push start. We did the shift knob. We did the shift knob panels here, the cup holder panels, the steering wheel buttons, and the emblems. I'll go ahead and drop a link below to the Aiden James products that we got for the trimming, and also the car trim home emblem and the shift knob. I'll also put up individual videos for every piece that we did an install on. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop a message. We'll be sure to answer for you guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys.